the sound is gonna be shit. So don't worry about the sound, just go for visuals.
Okay.
Although we should get, we do need to somehow get some sound. This is Tongoko. I'm shooting on a Canon 5D Mark II with a 24 to 70mm L series. We're about to go make history on Hollywood Boulevard between Hollywood and Highland and however far we can get. Here we go.